Welcome to the second video lecture of the Coding for Beginners. Today we are going to learn to write some code in Python idle. If don't know how to install Python, please refer to our first video. In this video we will be seeing how to create your first Python program Hello World. How to save and execute program in Python idle. And what are variables and keywords in Python? So let's write our first Python code to print Hello World. Open the Python idle from the Start menu. Type the code as print, Hello World. Press Enter. As you can see, the Hello World is printed below. So this is the basic of Python. We give command and it will print the output. We can also do some arithmetic operation is Python like 8 plus 4. The output is printed to us as 12. Now to save the program. Click on File. Then Save As. Enter the name of the file with .py and save it. You can later find the file where you have saved it. Keywords are predefined words or reserved words. These used within the language to perform a particular operations. You cannot use a keyword to perform some other function which are already defined in the system. To check for the keywords in the Python language, go to Python idle. Type help and you will get to the help bar. There you type keywords and you will get a list of all keywords in Python as listed below. Variables are the containers in which an item of data can be stored. Variables can store any kind of value like integer or string or any character. For assigning a value to the variable, equals symbol is used, which is also known as assignment operator. Such as x is equal to 8, here x is a variable. A variable must be initialized at the starting of the program to avoid errors during execution. Multiple variables can be initialized with common values. Now for naming a variable, a naming convention is followed, which is: a variable cannot contain any keyword, arithmetic symbols such as %, $, @ exclamation mark or spaces. A variable cannot start with a number. An underscore symbol can be used in a variable name,